have it in the next video. Hey, what's up? I'm Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and I know you guys haven't seen me for a minute. I've been doing videos here and there, have not been as consistent, but I want y'all to know next week the consistency is coming back. I've been busy working on my photography, working on trying to promote this upcoming lighting workshop, June 25th. If you want to be a part of that, go to my website, sign up for the 4-hour shootout. We're learning lighting, we're learning retouching. I don't want to make this a commercial for that, but I just wanted to tell y'all I am coming back, doing a little upgrades in my home office. You see I got another monitor up here, which I'm going to be using for Pro Tools, which I'm also going to be using for DaVinci Resolve, editing photos, editing music, editing videos. And also I got a new piece of gear right here. Not about to do a review. The review will come later, but I got a Warm Audio WA2A compressor. Yes, a LA2A type compressor. And this bad boy is brand new. I have not even taken it out the box yet. I got it a couple of days ago. Matter of fact, it might have been more than a couple of days. Almost a week ago. And I haven't taken it out the box because I've been busy. But I just want y'all to know, look for videos to start coming back every single Tuesday. And there'll be other videos coming out on throughout the week as well. But Tuesday is going to be the day that we stick with. That's our day. That's the day we're going to finalize. I got photo shoot videos coming up. I got to edit them. I have a bunch of content coming up soon. This is Tron Moses Media. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I got some content coming like I just said. And also, it's going to be good. I'm telling y'all, it's going to be good. We're going to do some photography talk. We might get other photographers involved, get them on the channel, might interview some people. Because it's different styles out there, you know, it's different styles of photography out there. There's portrait photographers, there's headshot photographers, there's strobists, there's photographers that shoot in the studio only, there's natural light photographers. Come on, photography is not just one thing, it's big. All right, y'all, so I'm Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media. I'm gonna get back up with y'all soon. Look for videos every Tuesday.